Hey guys, it's me, Ivan. So today I am gonna draw a character, and his name is Little Bear, and you'll be seeing him in a couple of my videos. And I decided to make a drawing video because first, drawing is a very good thing, and also, why don't I film a video? Like, come on, can we give this video a thumbs up? Yeah, let's give this video a thumbs up. Come on, guys. And also, can you guys subscribe? And also, let's give this. And also, not just that, I have this thing. If we get this video to 200 subscribers, I'll be doing a live stream, like a Q&A live stream. So let's get this video to 200 subs. Let's get this. Oh, also, if we get this to 100 likes, Megan has to. My sister has to dye her hair. I guess you could make. Comment down below if you want it permanent or just one day. I think permanent would be cool, but anyways, let's get back to this video. So today we're gonna draw the character, the Little Bears. So first you gotta draw a bunny ear, like not like a full bunny ear, but just like this kind of bunny ear. Then you draw like a round on top. And then you draw another one, another bunny ear, but not all the way to the top. Then you draw down, you go down, you go right here, you go there, like that. It's okay, you could make what kind of bear you want, what kind of teddy bear you want. Like, you can make like a polar bear, a grizzly bear, or any kind of bear, like a love bear or something. Anyways, then you have to draw the eyes. So first you gotta draw like an oval shape. There. Then next you draw another one next to it. Not too next to it, but like at least close. Then if you want to be detailed, you could do this. Or you could just cover the whole thing. You could make it probably is when you make it like this, it kind of looks like the sun is kind of like in his eyes and shiny. Next, you draw a circle, but not kind of like a circle, but not like an actual circle. You draw a circle. Then you draw another circle inside of here. This is his nose part. Then you draw a J next to his nose, down his nose, and then draw another J next, another J but differently. He's kind of looks sad, but it's okay. We'll make him happy. Then you draw this like around it. Then you would draw a tongue. Let's make this video quickly because last time I tried to film the video, YouTube rejected because it's too long. Then you could draw eyebrows. I recommend doing it on top because it looks like he's like doing it. It just looks funnier to mine. Then make a circle down his head. It's okay. It'll kind of look funny even though he has a big head, but it's okay. And then you'd draw another circle inside the head. Inside the circle, because that would be like his belly. then if you want, then you make like how do you say it? You can make like kind of like a piece of bread, and then you draw a line over it. Oh, the apartment noise, so not good. Can you guys hear me? Thumbs up if you could hear me. Or give a like if you could hear me. Okay. Then you draw the same thing, but for his arms. And then that's how you draw a little bear. So you could color him and do anything you want. Like you don't have to actually add this kind of tummy or this one you can make it like adventurous, like put sunglasses or a toy. For my case, I'll make him have a cookie. I'm trying my best. So yeah, that's all. Give this video to. So as I said, if we get this video to 200 subscribers, I will be doing a Q&A live stream. So yeah, as I say, I'm not gonna force you like any other YouTuber that's saying subscribe. You guys have to subscribe. If you don't, something bad's gonna happen in your life. So subscribe. So yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna be doing that. Anyways, see you next time. Bye.